Hello art enthusiasts! Today, we will embark on a fascinating drawing session. But before diving into this artistic journey, let me remind you that if you haven't already, I urge you to click that subscribe button. Activate the bell so you don't miss a single stroke, and leave a generous like to support this channel. Also, your comments are the engine that drives this vibrant community, so feel free to share your thoughts. This time, we will immerse ourselves fully in the wonderful universe of Ragatha, the endearing ragdoll from the digital circus. I'm excited about this drawing project, and I know you will be too. So, without further ado, let's get started. On our digital canvas, Ragatha will come to life with each stroke. Together, we'll explore her details, her fascinating personality, and all those nuances that make her so special. As we progress, remember that this is your creative space as much as mine, so feel free to join in the creation. And now, the climax. While we enjoy this artistic process, I ask you to take it a step further and fully immerse yourselves in the magic of this video. Share your thoughts in the comments. Who else has a special love for Ragatha? Before concluding, I want to express my sincere gratitude for being part of this creative community. Your likes, subscriptions, and comments are like brushstrokes that bring this channel to life. And as I always say, this is just the beginning of an exciting journey. Until the next video, keep creating and exploring your own magic. We'll meet again in the next masterpiece. See you soon.